If you're a working dad trying to start a business, your biggest risk isn't failure. It's choosing a business that doesn't fit your life. The wrong model quietly drains your time, money, and patience, even if it looks good on paper. In this video, I'll show you which business model works for busy dads, which ones sound exciting but fail silently, and how to choose based on fit, not hype. I'm Luke, and I help working dads transition into entrepreneurship without blowing up family and finances. Most dads don't struggle because they picked a bad idea. They struggle because they picked a bad model for their season of life. So here's the filter. If a business doesn't pass this test, it's the wrong choice right now. The fit test. Flexible time, income leverage, tolerable risk. First, flexible time. A dad-friendly business works in blocks, not constant attention. If you can't step away for a few days without everything breaking, it's not a fit. Second, income leverage. Does your effort compound or does it reset every week? If income only happens when you show up, you've just bought yourself another job. Third, tolerable risk. If losing this business would hurt your family or create pressure at home, the risk is too high for your current season. I learned this the hard way. I once spent months building a business that looked perfect on paper, but continuing would have meant gambling stability. Walking away wasn't failure. It was judgment. Quick pause. This isn't about passion, it's about fit. Models that usually work for busy dads include simple service businesses, productized skills, small digital offers, and low inventory e-commerce. Models that usually fail dads aren't bad, they're just wrong for the season. Restaurants, high overhead retail, constant availability businesses. Wrong season doesn't mean wrong forever. Flexible time, income leverage, tolerable risk. If a model fails one, it's a no for now. In the next video, I'll show you how to validate an idea in 7 days without quitting your job or spending thousands.